Okay, we're putting the Intel SSD inside this MacBook, and I'll go ahead and insert it. That's the old drive there, regular style hard drive. Now we're going to put the case back. And I'll give you guys let you know how fast it boot up after I get everything installed. So then I just got to tighten in 3 screws here, put the battery back in, we're good to go. Now we're about to do the boot up of the MacBook. So here we go. This is with the 4 gigs of RAM right here, Kingston, and then the Intel SSD. This is 180 gig Intel, just in case you couldn't see that. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna hit the start button right about now. So that was just about 20 seconds or so. Not bad. It was taking just over a minute. So that's some great improvement. This is running Snow Leopard, which is going to be updated to Lion soon. I'm sorry.